Spirit Lama presents.
On this beautiful sunny Wednesday, my cat and I set off for a refreshing swim at Podpeč Lake. With the temperature already at 38 degrees Celsius, we'll definitely need a stop or two along the way to cool down. We're currently in VIČ, Ljubljana. We're now in Dolgi, Ljubljana. Just look at this bridge towering above us. Sometimes a quick glance upward is all it takes to forget the effort for a moment. We're now in Brezovica. Here I decided to play it safe and cross the road on foot. Whoops. I gave the trailer a little wobble there. Judging by the look on my cat's face, my passenger rating just dropped to 1 star. Just for context, I'm towing 45 kilos behind me, so every hill feels personal. We're now approaching Vnanje Gorice. I'm turning left here, heading toward Podpeč. My cat definitely wasn't impressed when we bumped our way over the railway tracks. We're stopping here in Vnanje Gorice, near the post office, to hydrate and cool down. This place also has a basketball court, a football pitch, and even a pump track. It's seriously hot out here, and I'm a little out of shape, so at this point I'm basically turning into a lobster. I'm going to unpack a few things, grab some water, make sure both my cat and I stay hydrated, air out the trailer, and check the batteries on all my gear. It's time for us to get moving again. We're roughly 4.5 kilometers from our destination. Whoops. I clearly didn't think this camera position through. It happens. I'm guessing these colorful circles on the road are meant to remind drivers that there are young children nearby. Another place worth mentioning here is Pizzeria Pavlet. Their pizzas are easily a 10 out of 10. We're now leaving Vnanje Gorice and approaching Podpeč. Do you ever stop and wonder why you were brought into this world? One humble thought of mine is that when two people find each other along the way and create a stable foundation for life, they may choose to deepen their love by having a child. In the past, this may also have been connected to the need for extra hands and physical work. Today, I believe the decision should still come from love, but also from financial security, responsibility, and the desire to pass your knowledge on to the next generation. And here we go again, another slightly bumpy ride. Nature is absolutely breathtaking here, with countless shades of green all around. We're now approaching Podpeč. From the bridge, we're treated to a beautiful view of the Ljubljana River. We're now getting closer to the village of Jezero. I usually pull over whenever I can to avoid holding up traffic, especially to let trucks pass in situations like this. A rush of excitement runs through me. I can barely wait now. The lake is just around the corner. I'm turning right here, passing the stone masonry, and then we'll finally arrive at the lake. Well, I guess those disc brakes are asking for a good clean. And finally, we've reached our destination. What an absolutely beautiful view of the lake. Swimming here is at your own risk, and of course, everyone should do their part to keep the area clean. The water quality isn't exactly ideal for swimming at the moment, but that doesn't seem to stop people from coming back.